Let's check this Python code snippet. The Python code you provided demonstrates various ways of formatting and printing output. Variables. Name is assigned Alice and age is assigned 30. String formatting. Print. Hello? Format name. Inserts the value of the name variable Alice into the string at the tut placeholder. Similarly, print you are years old, format age, inserts the value of age 30. Formatting numbers. Print pi to 2 decimal places, 2f. Dot format pi formats the value of pi to 2 decimal places. Dictionary unpacking. Print name, age, format data, unpacks the data dictionary, inserting its values into the corresponding placeholders in the string. Looping and formatting. The for loop iterates from 1 to 3, and print do02d format I formats each number with leading zeros if needed, ensuring 2-digit output. String formatting with padding. Print stop 10 format hello centers the word hello within a string of 10 characters, padding it with SAR on both sides. Currency formatting. Print the price is 2 mat price formats the price as currency with 2 decimal places. F strings. Print F I have quantity items directly embeds variables into the string literal using F strings. Number system representations. The last 4 lines demonstrate formatting numbers in binary, octal O, lowercase hexadecimal x, and uppercase hexadecimal x representations. Thank you for watching.